Hello, good morning students. May I introduce myself? I'm Shaida Parveen. I'm your English teacher. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Students, there are some word cards in my hand. Okay, we will know about this word. What is the word? Can you say? It is introduce. Introduce. It is introduce. Introduce means to make known by name. Introduce এর অর্থ হলো পরিচয় প্রদান করা। কারোর সঙ্গে আমরা যখন নিজের নাম বলে পরিচিত হই তাকে ইন্ট্রোডিউস বলা হয়। ওকে, নাও can you say what is the word? It is holiday. It is holiday. Holiday is a time of rest from any work. Holiday অর্থ ছুটির দিন। এই দিনে নির্ধারিত কোনো কাজকর্ম মানুষের থাকে না, সম্পূর্ণ তাদের ইচ্ছায় তাদের দিন উদযাপন করে, তাকে আমরা হলিডে বলি। ওকে, what is the word? Can you say? It is really. Really. It is used to refer to what is true or real. Really অর্থ সত্যি, এটা কোনো কিছু সত্য, প্রকৃতপক্ষে এরকম বোঝাতে রিয়েলি শব্দটা আমরা ব্যবহার করি। ওকে, নাও what is the word? Can you say? It is living. It is living. When people go away from somewhere, we say it living. যখন মানুষ কোথা থেকে চলে যায়, কোনো স্থান ত্যাগ করে, তাকে আমরা লিভিং বলি। লিভিং অর্থ ছেড়ে যাওয়া, চলে যাওয়া, ত্যাগ করা। ওকে, and what is the word? Can you say? It is meeting. Meeting, it is a situation when people see and talk to each other. We say it living. We say it meeting. Meeting অর্থ সাক্ষাৎ করা, দেখা হওয়া, এরকম। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ স্টুডেন্টস। Students, what is this? Can you say? It is our English book and its name is English for Today Class 5. You say with me, English for Today Class 5. Again say, English for Today Class 5. Okay, students, now open your book at page 2. Students, what can you see in the picture? It is a railway station. We see here there are two girls are introducing to each other, and this is a person and this is a person. He is her father. We look here, a gentleman and a woman are standing here, and a person, a gentleman, is walking at the railway station. Okay, and this is a passenger. Okay, students, now I will read this topic, and at first you Listen to me attentively and put your finger on your book. Shima. Hello. May I introduce myself? I'm Shima. Jessica. Hi, I'm Jessica. Shima. Where are you going, Jessica? Jessica. I'm going to Chattogram. I'm on holiday with my father. Shima. Really? Where are you from? Jessica. I'm from the United Kingdom. Are you from Dhaka? Shima. No, I'm from Sylhet. That's where we are going. Our train is leaving in 10 minutes. Jessica. Have a good journey. Shima. Thank you. Nice meeting you, Jessica. Have fun in Chattogram. Jessica. Thanks. Nice meeting you too, Shima. Okay, students, now I will ask you a question. Can you read the first line? Okay, I read the first line and you listen to me attentively and put your finger on your book. Shima. Hello. May I introduce myself? I'm Shima. You read after me. Shima. Hello. May I introduce myself? I'm Shima. Okay. Now the second line. I will read and you read after me. Okay. Jessica. Hi. I'm Jessica. Jessica. Hi. I'm Jessica. Now the third line. Shima. Where are you going, Jessica? Where are you going, Jessica? Now the fourth line. Jessica. I'm going to Chattogram. I'm on holiday with my father. I'm going to Chattogram. I'm on holiday with my father. Okay? Now the fifth line. Shima. Really? Where are you from? Shima. Really? Where are you from? Now the sixth line. Jessica. I'm from the United Kingdom. Are you from Dhaka? I'm from the United Kingdom. Are you from Dhaka? Okay. Now the sixth line. At first I read, then you read after me. Okay? Shima. No. I'm from Sylhet. No. I'm from Sylhet. That's where we are going. Our train is leaving in 10 minutes. Okay? Students, can you read the eighth line? I read and you read after me. Jessica, have a good journey. Have a good journey. Okay? Now the ninth line. Shima, thank you. Nice meeting you, Jessica. Have fun in Chattogram. Thank you. Nice meeting you, Jessica. Have fun in Chattogram. Jessica, thanks. Nice meeting you too, Shima. Jessica, thanks. Nice meeting you too, Shima. Okay? Students, thank you. You are so fine. Students, now I will give you some questions and you will try to answer them. Okay? Students, there are some questions here. Choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. The first question is, where is Jessica going? Where is Jessica going? Two answers here. Chattogram, Dhaka. Which is correct? Chattogram. Okay? Students, now the second question. Where is Jessica from? Where is Jessica from? United Kingdom, Brazil. Okay? United Kingdom is correct. Now the third question. Where is Shima going? Where is Shima going? Khulna, Sylhet. Which is correct? Sylhet. Okay? Now the fourth line. Where is Shima from? Where is Shima from? Sylhet, Chattogram. The correct answer is Sylhet. Okay? Thank you, students. Students, can you say what have we learned from this lesson? We have learned from this lesson how to introduce myself, how to exchange greetings, and how to taking leave. Okay? We normally use at the time of introducing myself, we can say, may I introduce myself? May I introduce myself? And for greetings, in the morning, we can say, hello, good morning. In the afternoon, we can say, good afternoon. And in the evening, we can say, good evening. Okay? And at the time of taking leave, we normally use nice to meet you, nice meeting you, see you later, bye, bye bye. Okay? Thank you, students. Thank you so much. See you later.